Hey guys, today I'm with Hazel, so make sure you check out her channels and don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's get on with this video. So first you'll need a tub, you'll need glue sticks, and you'll need activator and a mixing tool. So first what you have to do, you have to chop up some bits of glue into here, into a tub, like I've already done. And then you have to put some activator in. And then, so, now we have to go and put it in the microwave. So, as you can see, like it started to turn into slime. So it's like that. So since there's a lot of glue, I'm gonna like crush it up, and then I'm gonna put it in the microwave again. And I think it didn't really melt quick enough because it's like in big chunks. So make sure you if you have like this much glue, if you have like 5 glue sticks, microwave it for like 1 minute, so that it would be perfect time.
They don't like us. Yeah.
But when it's crushed, I think you should just microwave it for 30 seconds or less. I microwave the chunks for 1 minute, but since I'm crushing it now, then I don't need to microwave it for 1 minute. So let's just crush it up and then we'll come back. So it's all melted and everything now, and so we're gonna add some more activator and start mixing it around. Let's get my mixing tool. So let's add more activator. Add a lot because it's like glue stick. Don't add too much, so then go really hard and wet really wet. So yeah, it's like clear as soon as you microwave it. If it's not, then you have to microwave it a bit more. Make sure you microwave all of your bits though. Make sure you microwave all the bits though, because then it won't be really nice. Right, I'm gonna go get some more activator after I finish mixing this.
Can I go mix them?
Yeah. Afterwards, when I get the other activator, then you can start mixing with that one. Right. So it starts to turn white, but that's okay because it's glue. So like I can see it forming up. Yeah, I'm gonna go get more activator now. So I've got more activator. As you can see, I put both the activators in empty glue bottles because why not waste them? So I'm going to add more activator now and mix. Oh, it's starting to get hard. Like while I was going to get the activator, then it started to get harder. So pretty good actually. So yeah, keep mixing.
Are we going to colour it?
So yeah, I'm gonna colour at the end. So I decided not to colour it because like since it's glue stick slime, it ends up being like super pearly, and like I don't really want to ruin that pearly look. So I'm not gonna colour it. So add more activator. Here you go. You try next. Activator. Use activator. Oh, if you like knead it in your fingers, then it starts to get a bit more like thick. So this is the one that I've made before, and it's super cool. So it's like that, and it's there.
Is it hot?
Yeah, it's like super hot. Super hot. So you better be careful with it though. So it starts to cool down though. It's really pearly as well, so I really like it. It's stretchy and awesome. So I'm gonna try and microwave this one again, and you will see what happens. So I'm gonna go and microwave it. So I decided to put some Moroccan almond extract in it.
Ooh, what's that noise?
So I'm gonna put a little bit in. I'm gonna mix it up. I'm gonna smell it. I would have liked watermelon, but I don't think you could get watermelon in my area. Smells of like, I don't know, it smells of almond cake or something. I don't know what almond cake tastes like, but
It's really nice.
yeah. I've never tried it before. You guys have tried almond cake? Comment down below and tell me how it tastes, if you like it or not. So
I got the cream cheese music. Also, guys, you
I
have to.
sort of like the smell though.
Also, guys, subscribe to my channel.
So I don't know if that one works, but I'm gonna like leave it for a few minutes, like 3 minutes, and hopefully it will turn into slime then. So it turned out to be like half a fail, but I could still feel it coming together, so I'm not sure. But anyway, that was a fail. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to like and subscribe, as I said before, and check out her videos. Bye guys, see you next time.